have Keegan at the zoo for the first time in front of the turtle habitat with his kind.
He's trying to single daddy with his legs.
Keegan!
While ripping out my hair.
Keegan! Say hi! Hi! Ah! Aww! You trying to play with Daddy?
Hey.
Say thank you for taking me to the National Smithsonian Museum in D.C. Oh, did Daddy let go?
I got you, don't worry.
You want to show everyone how you swim with the turtles? Let him look at the turtle. Are you talking to the turtles? Okay, say bye.